how to get a refund from ASOS often return not processed. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply locate your return tracking number from the drop off receipt, right? So in your receipt, you'll actually be able to get that number. Remember to get that number somewhere safe. Then from there, you can actually get into their help center. For that, you can get into their ASOS.com. Then from here, if you tap on the menu bar right here, and then from there, if you simply tap on your profile icon right here, you will actually be able to get into the help center. If you tap on that profile icon, you'll be able to find the option of help. Simply tap on help, then you can get the option of contact us, right? So simply tap on contact us, and then from there you can select the return and refunds option, then provide your tracking proof, and then from there you need to ask customer care to process the refund, and I'm pretty sure that they will actually be able to help you out with that. So please remember to have some patience, wait up to 1 or 2 business days. After 1 or 2 business days, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to get your refund back.